Tiny water drops on a flat surface, merging together in a way that's gorgeous. Have you ever wondered why this happens? Let's ask some people to see what they reckon.
Forces in the water?
Surface tension, maybe?
Surface tension? Look at the molecules in this drop of water. There exists a force pulling them to the center. Surface is stretchy, all dimensions, and this is what we call surface tension.
Carefully observe these two droplets. Did you see that? One of the droplets swallows the other one. But apart from the force of surface tension, what else causes this amazing phenomenon? Well, let's dive into the droplets to find out.
Rapid waves form on the surface. They ripple forwards with important purpose. As the drops get closer, so do the waves. And now they meet. Look at how they behave. The opposing waves join together and form bridges between the droplets. Then, surface tension takes over and they merge. It's only through beautiful phenomena like these that we can truly gain an insight into the secret life of droplets.